This is a demonstration of the adaptive CCI trendline break from TradeStrat. I've had a lot of stuff going on, so sorry it's been a little while since I've done a video. Launching the website and doing some remodeling back here at home, working with contractors. That's always fun. But I've made some modifications to my trendline break CCI, and I've made an adaptive version of it. So I'll just click in here and show you the settings. Basically everything is the same, but you have a choice of moving averages. It was designed with a simple moving average in mind, but you can pick a smooth moving average or weighted or volume weighted exponential. So that's a nice option to have. And also a choice between adaptive or just the standard CCI. And when you select adaptive, you have a choice of your alpha. So I will just leave it on the simple and show you this chart. We're also looking at the dynamic support and resistance indicator at the same time. And I like to take trades that signals that happen near support and resistance. This is a 640 tick of the Russell 2000 market. So if I see a signal on this higher time frame, I drill down to a lower time frame and make an entry from there. But this is Friday was Good Friday, so this is Thursday. Lots of opportunity Thursday for trading. Lots of good entries here. I'll scroll back a little bit. This is Wednesday, choppy day, but still nice to see how support and resistance is respected. The day before, this is the 15th. And it's important to note on this support and resistance indicator, I of course am not the first person to come up with a dynamic support and resistance indicator, but I am the first to include so many different levels. It looks at a lot of different levels to make these lines appear. And that's unique. And the other unique thing is whenever a line is challenged and traded through, it disappears. So you don't end up with too many lines on your chart. So that's new on this indicator. I also had some requests to make that work on the daily time frame. Here's the daily time frame, daily bars of the S&P E-mini. And the SR indicator is designed for intraday. That's what I use it for, but you can also apply it to daily charts now. It's fairly simple to draw your own support and resistance on daily, but it's also nice to have things automated. Here's another look at another chart. This is the Euro USD currency pair, Forex. And we see a lot of resistance at the top, and once we've broken through that resistance and closed above it, those lines disappear. So it's useful in that respect. I hope you enjoyed learning about the new updates to these indicators and that you find it useful in your trading.